video, I'll be covering creating a booking form, placing an order, activating agent earnings, and creating and completing a task. So to begin with, creating a booking form. For that, you go to your Tookan dashboard, click on the three horizontal lines, and then you have to go to extensions. You can also do this by clicking on this grid icon, which will be visible on your Tookan dashboard, and then enable the extensions once you find it from the list there, or either you can just go to extensions from here and then select the Tookan forms extension. This is the extension that you have to enable. I've already activated it, so what I have to do is simply go to settings, and then in the settings pane I have to select this form editor option. Now in order to add the form, I click on add form, and this will show me this window wherein you have to enter some necessary details in order for your form to get created. So I will just add a name for my Tookan form URL, and I'll add something like delivery and pickups. Then job type only pickup. Workflow, you can select a workflow as per the requirement of your business. You can select a template. I'll be going for pickups. Then you have to select a theme color for your form. I've selected this color. Login required, you can either set it as yes or no. I'll be going for no. And then you can see whether you're satisfied with the remainder fields. And once you're sure that these are the permissions that you want to give, then you simply, I'll enable the hippo chart as well. Okay, so once you're satisfied with all the field selections, then you can just click on save. Also, you can upload the icon customized to your own marketplace, and either you can go for a smaller icon or a normal sized icon. It's simply for white labeling the product, and then a domain would also be added subsequently which maps to your business marketplace. And you just simply click on save, and you can see successful. So your form got created. Next we move on to placing an order. So there are three ways that you can go about this. If you've integrated your token with your yellow marketplace, then you can go to your marketplace and place an order from there. So I'll click on west side. I'll, for example, add something to my cart. Click on checkout, deliver here, proceed to pay. Pay 679.15 and order placed successfully, as you saw that notification prompt. Then the second way is that you can use a customer app to place the order. And the third way is that you can use this form link. You can send this URL to the customer, and then the customer can use that URL to place the order. So I'll just click on the URL. Takes a while to load with slow internet speed, I guess. Okay, so the form has loaded now, and once you see the form, you just have to input these fields as per the customer, and you can just add any name, say yeah, phone number, pick up before, say, by 9:15 p.m. tonight, pickup address, sector, 15, Chandigarh. You can also add these fields: task, cost, and total fare, which are present according to the template that you'd created. So I'll just add the task or cost as 150, total fare as 200. And once you're satisfied with these inputs, then you can just click on place order. And your order will be successfully placed. Now, once your order is successfully placed, it will be reflected on your Tookan dashboard. So with the first order that I placed, it went into Anna's side. So that west side order which I placed from my marketplace, by adding items to the cart, that's also reflected here, and also via the form URL, that order is also reflected here. Then next we come to activating agent earnings. For that, you again click on the three horizontal bars on the top left of the screen. Then you go to settings. Then you will go to templates. Now you can either select one of the pre-existing templates from the library, or you can create a custom template. Now these are some of the custom templates that I had created. So I'll just simply edit one of those. And the main option which helps you enable the agent pricing is this: task pricing and agent earning. I'm sorry, I said agent pricing, I meant agent earning. So you click on task pricing and agent earning. These are some of the rules which I had previously created, and now I'll just click on add rule, and I'll name this as agent earning rule 1. So you can apply the pricing option as per the task or according to the agent. I'm going for agent earning, so I have selected that. It's already selected. Then in order to define what the agent earnings would be, you will set a base fare first. So for the purpose of my order, I'll add it as 100. Then these fields define how the base fare gets increased as the duration and distance increases. So these duration fields will primarily be used in the case of services. So if you are, suppose for example, providing say a hair spa service, and you have to go to the customer's place, so you can simply add the base duration as 60 minutes. So for the first 60 minutes only the base fare will be applicable, and for any additional minute per minute, say an additional fare of 5 rupees will be applicable. You can just choose it according to the increments that you want for price. But herein we're not really going to be providing a service, so I'll just simply let it be as 0. And what's applicable in my use case is base distance. So for the first 5 kilometers, the base fare will remain to be 100, and for any additional kilometers, the base fare will increase by say 10 rupees. Now we come down to base waiting time. For the first 60 minutes, the base fare will be applicable, and for after 60 minutes, for any additional minute, a base fare of 15 rupees I'll charge. So I've set these, and once I'm okay with the changes that I've made, then I'll just simply click on save, and that's how your agent earnings will get enabled. Next, we come to creating and completing a task. So for that, you have to go to the Tookan dashboard again. Now you can create a task by clicking on this button which says create task. I will say create a delivery task. Add these fields, enter some values into these fields. So order ID, I'll start any random order ID. Deliver before 11:30 p.m. Select template. Pickups and error. Delivery cost I'll add 500. Oh, no, that's a lot. I think I'll just add 200. Yes. And then you click on create task. And that's how your task will get created. So you will be able to see it again in the unassigned tasks by the name of Vani, which was the task that I just created. So your task will move through various stages: unassigned, assigned, and completed. Now, once your task has been created, the logic that I have applied on my dashboard, it will auto assign the task to one of the delivery agents which are available in the near periphery. So once the agent will accept the task on their phone, I'll just click on retry. Yes. So once the agent will accept the task on their agent application, then the task will move from as unassigned to assigned. So as you can see, the task moved from the unassigned to the assigned stage. And then once the agent will click on start, and then the agent will click on successful once he's actually delivered the product to the customer station, and then he can just click on successful, and the task will move from assigned to completed stage. And this is how the cycle goes for task completion. So I think I've briefly covered all the points where I've shown creating a booking form, placing an order, activating agent earnings, and creating and completing a task.